Welcome to pantechelearning. Now we are going to see how to communicate using gesture recognition for dumb people. So here I am using Opencv package to read the live streaming of video, and I am using scikit-learn to read the metrics value whatever the gestures I am showing, and to convert the text in order to the speech for the recognized gestures I am using text to speech conversion. The package name is Python text to speech conversion version 3 pyttsx. Now let us see how to execute the output. So here you will be able to see two windows. One is for video feed and another one will be for threshold.
I am good. I am good.
So within this box, when I show that particular
I am hungry.
data, therefore it will be
I am
recognizing
hungry.
that particular
I am hungry.
gesture, and from that particular gesture
I am hungry.
that particular speech will
I am
be
hungry.
set by the system.
I am hungry.
Now
I am
changing
hungry.
the gesture.
I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. I need to go restroom. I am good. I am good. I am hungry.
So in this way only we will be able to
I am hungry.
work with gesture recognition, which converts that particular gesture into the speech, enables an assistant for a dumb people. So guys, if you like this video, click the like button, share the video to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.